Hello everyone, and today I show you how you can replace vacuum tube in orange terror stamp pedal. Here we go. And now I drop a little bit information about what is it. Orange terror stamp, this not overdrive or distortion pedal, this amplifier. Yeah, this amplifier, this vacuum tube preamp. That's really. And so this compact amp have all what you need for home practice or even recording your beautiful first or second album. Right at the top we have two volume controls, volume and volume switch. The next is shape, this equalization, and this one knob equalization. You just turn it right or left, but your sound still remains like a bullshit, because you need to change your guitar. And of course this gain knob is clear for you. In the left side we have turn on, turn off switch, and right in the back all holes what you need for doing music. You have input for your guitar, loop effect section with send and return, in and out. Send is line out, of course. You have output for your headphones with cap simulation, speaker output, 8 and 16 ohms loudspeaker, which possible to use with this small amplifier, and power supply input. Power switcher, volume controllers, switch between two volume controls, shape, what shape to your sound, and gain, what gain to your sound. Oh yeah, that's all. Wow, if we have vacuum tube in preamp, we can replace it. But how we can do it? This easy, dudes. It's not hard. All we need this screwdriver with head what matches to screws. I show. And new, another or maybe old, this no matter, vacuum tube. Special for this video I bought JJ vacuum tube ECC83. That's right, yes, ECC83S. This amplifier we can use two vacuum tube types, 12AX7, ECC83, or their analogs. So let's uncover hood and replace it. Okay, dude, I don't know what pushing you to do it, but I show you how you can do it. You need new vacuum tube, screwdriver, and here we go. The first you need unscrew these screws. I do it before because I don't know anybody interested in watch how somebody unscrew it, screws. What a stupid thing. So after it you need uncover a little bit slightly, uncover, and what it's in. This in preamp tube. It is. So after you open your beautiful hood, you find your tube what you want to replace. This tube socket, this power amp chip. When vacuum tube and work, this become very hot, and be sure what you done using this pedal before you uncover it and start replacing your tube. Also be sure what you disconnect your power supply from your pedal for electricity shock avoiding. And now we start replace this tube. So at this point we need to remove all tube from tube socket. You need to hold by one hand tube socket and just tilt and pull. Slowly tilt and pull. Pull to opposite side, of course. Tilt to left to right. That's done. So after it we take our new tube, oh yeah, JJ ECC83, that's new, and just connect it to their place. When you place new tube right to the socket, take attention to the pins. You need this distance between two pins, and this distance I show you in the tube socket. Here it is. Yes. And you need JJ, okay. And you need just matched it for first. When you see what it's matched, socket and pins, you just slowly push, slowly push to end. Well, it's done. Take a look at this regulator, this tube gain. You can regulate it by your screwdriver, and this regulator there remain because when you replace tube, all tubes is different, very different, and by this regulator you can tune gain level. So when you replace tube and find what your sound not so loud or not gain it as much as you want, you can uncover it again and tune it by this regulator. In this video we just replace one tube to another, but if you want to see compare sound between one tube and another and how this small blue thing affects the sound when you turn it, just type in a comment. Just take your laptop or smartphone, take a pencil and write comment. Yes, dude, I want to see it. Point. And of course, warning. Dude, just wash your hand this up before tube replacement, because if you don't do this and your fat from your fingers just drop to the tube socket, and when you switch on your amp, this just overheated and explode. Keep your hands clean. If you broken all stuff what you take in your hand, if you don't understand in electricity, don't do this. Just find somebody who knows how it's done. Well, right now you know how you can quickly replace one tube to another in your orange terror stamp pedal. Do it slowly, the tilting, and remove and install. I'll show you again. Just hold tube socket and slowly pull and tilt, left to right, pull and tilt. That's easy. And then you install it to the place, match socket. Just notice this distance between two pins, this distance right in the socket, matched it, push and tilt. Replace vacuum tube in orange stamp amplifier is easy, but I know easier thing, and this thing, tap to like. If you like, tap to like. Yes, leave your best comment and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you next time.